Then,
my life is first is one of the
Someone.
remote village in the Tripura, Dhalai district.
okay. Then how is your the experience about the road and the
We came
electricity?
yesterday here. Road is very bad. For walking also very bad
Okay.
when the rainy season.
Okay. Then how about the village and all? That is a nice village.
No,
Yeah.
people are suffering without any facilities.
Then the school and all, water,
Nothing
everything.
is there. Nothing is there. This village.
Actually, this village name is
Dogurai,
village name is Doboram, no?
Doboram.
Yeah.
Yes.
But
This
how
is,
many families are living here?
15 families here.
15 families. So this is the first time we have come here and visiting
Yes, yes,
this
yes.
village.
Yeah.
But we have seen that there is no proper road,
Road.
there
Nothing is
is
there.
no electricity, no
Yes.
proper water, a very remote village, yes or no?
Yes.
And living very deep inside a jungle. So these are the condition of Tripura, and especially our young people are living here. So there is no any other community, only Riang, yes or no?
Yes. Riang only
Yeah.
they're facing this problem.
Okay, then today, last night we came, but today is raining. So how is your idea? How about your idea from here to Ambassa? How far?
For more than 10 kilometers,
More than 10 kilometers. If something happening, sickness or any problem,
nothing.
so they cannot go, no?
They cannot go. They will die here only.
Yes. Oh,
Before reaching the hospital, they will die. That
okay.
is the condition of the road.
See, and you're from Kerala, yes, or no?
Yes. I am
He's
from
from Kerala, and he came and Tripura visiting, and he saw very shockingly, and it's a very bad condition. That's why just he wants to say something. That's why we are taking the video.
What to say Tripura government is this village development road is not good road.
Actually, we appeal and we request to our new government, and